Kun primar Mamutonto, PAG kod Entanda kama jopuonjre koro biro yudo lony mar wacho dhokno kanyakla kod timbe kod kido mag oganda Jo-Russia. Jatend riwruok mochung' ne chenro ma kamano Hans Menova oyango ni gibiro kelo jopuonj mowuok e pinje mag Russia mar konyo e somogo. Chenro ma kamano bende osechaki e counties ma Taita Taveta, Kwale, Siaya, Homa Bay, Murang'a gi Nairobi.
Okay, very good. Let me write.
Now today we are here in Kisii County conducting a workshop program for the learners to have a sensitization initiative of cultural exchange between Kenya and Russia.
So I'm here in Kenya because there is nothing Russian here. Russia has never been present, and I'm here to introduce Russian language and Russian culture as part of CBC curriculum, where there is a provision for extracurriculum foreign language, which I'm doing. I'm supporting schools, and also I'm opening up mind of these young learners to new culture and new opportunities that are there in Russia.
I have learned a lot. I have learned how to write my name in Russian. I have also learned the Russian culture, and I have also learned how to greet people in Russian. For example, when I want to greet somebody in Kiswahili, habari, I say privet, and when I want to say asante, I say spasibo.
Klab mar Gor Mahia oriembe tich kocha margi Zedekiah Ziko Otieno gi jokonyne duto kaluwore gi season ma ok osedhi